Good morning, children. Children, this week we are going to learn patterns in shape. Okay, last week we learned multiplication with regrouping, isn't it? So we'll give you a quick recap of what we learned last week, and then we will pass on to today's topic. Let's first see multiplication with regrouping. A quick recap. First, we have to multiply 4, then 5, and then 7 by 2. Okay, first 2 into 4. First we start from the ones place, from the right side, ones place. So 2 into 4, 2 fours are 2 fours are 8. 2 into 5, 2 fives are 10. As I told you and as you all know, the two digits cannot occupy tens place. So what we are going to do is take this 0 and place it in tens place, and take this 1 and carry over to the next position, that is hundreds place. Okay, so here what we have to do is we have to first multiply and then we have to add with the carryover. So 2 into 7 is 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So 5 in the hundreds place and 1 here. Because we are placing two numbers. Why are we placing two numbers here? Because there are no more numbers to multiply, isn't it? There is no more number to multiply. So we are placing both the numbers in the answer. So the answer is 1508. Children, now we will pass on to today's topic, patterns. Children, today we are going to learn patterns. பேட்டர்ன்ஸ்னா என்னம்மா? பேட்டர்ன்ஸ் நம்ம வந்து தினமுமே நம்ம டெய்லி லைஃப்ல பார்த்துட்டே வரோம். we come across so many patterns. Okay, for example, in your clothes, in bed sheets, நம்ம விண்டோஸ்ல இருக்கிற டிசைன்ஸ், அப்புறம் ஃப்ளோர் டைல்ஸ், தென் மாலை போடுவாங்க இல்லையா, கார்லண்ட், ஃப்ளவர் கார்லண்ட், அதுல அப்புறம் so many screens, curtains, you can see patterns. Okay, bags, you can see patterns. Okay, children, and you have seen sarees, amma sarees la irukula, adula patterns paakalam. You might have seen color patterns, shapes patterns, ellame irukku. Okay va? So let's see first what are patterns. Okay va? ஸோ நம்மளுக்கு இதெல்லாம் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு தெரியாமையே அன்கான்ஷியஸாகவே நம்ம வந்து இதெல்லாம் பார்த்துருப்போம். பட் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு அது தெரிஞ்சிருக்காது. இதுதான் பேட்டர்ன்ஸ், இதுதான் பேட்டர்ன்ஸ், ஓ இப்படி இருக்கிறது தான் பேட்டர்ன்ஸ் அப்படின்றது நம்மளுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்காது. ஸோ நம்ம இப்போ வாட் ஆர் பேட்டர்ன்ஸ் பார்ப்போம், அது எப்படிலாம் வருதுன்னு நம்ம பார்ப்போம். சரியா? ஸோ பேட்டர்ன்ஸ் ஆர் கிரியேட்டட் when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. So what are patterns? How they are created? They are created when figures, numbers, shapes, or any objects, okay, when they are repeated again and again, when they are repeated over and over again. So patterns are created when numbers, that is figures, shapes, or any objects are repeated over and over again in a particular order, and they are arranged in a particular order. So patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and are repeated over and over again. Okay, children, we can make patterns in colors, shapes, okay, figures, anything. So here in this class we are going to study patterns in shapes. For this term they have given in your textbook, Samachir textbook, patterns in shapes. Take page number 41, children. Page number 41, 41. See here, we can make creative patterns in shapes using thumb as shown below. So patterns can be created using our thumb.
make a using thumb, dip it in any colors and make an impression. In that you can create your own idea, your own colorful picture and create a pattern. Okay, here they have created like this. Okay, honeybee, flower, honeybee, flower, honeybee, flower, honeybee, flower. See here, these are all thumb impressions. The petals of flowers are all thumb impressions. Okay, and the body of the honeybee is also thumb impression and the wings also is thumb impression. Okay, children, using your thumb impression, you can create any type of patterns. Okay, so honeybee, flower, honeybee, flower, honeybee, flower. So the pattern continues. You might have seen all these patterns in bed sheets, kerchiefs, saris, isn't it? Okay, next is fish, fish, bird, fish, fish, bird. The pattern using thumb impression. Understood, children? This is also using thumb impression and they created a face. They made it as a bird. Fish, fish, bird. Again, fish, fish, bird. And what will come next? Fish, fish, bird. So the pattern continues like that. Okay. And see the next one. They created a pattern using potato. They cut the potato in a flower shape. They dipped it in the color, any watercolor, and they made it as a pattern. The potato is a flower shape, so shape pattern, and also here one more pattern is there, color patterns. Orange, red, yellow. Again see orange, red, yellow. Again orange, red, yellow. First orange, red, second, third, yellow. Here see orange, second red, third yellow. Orange, red, yellow. In this, we can see patterns in shapes as well as patterns in colors, isn't it? So, you can also cut a potato in any shape, animal shape or a flower shape or a fish shape. Any shape you can cut it out, or leaf shape, and make a pattern like this. Pattern in shapes as well as you can make pattern in colors by dipping in various colors. Okay, so you can make your own pattern, create your own pattern, and you can cut it as a number also. Okay, as a number you can create your own pattern. See the next one. They made a pattern using leaf by the impression of leaf. You all like this, isn't it? Yes, try by yourself, children. It will be very, very joyful. Okay, next page. Identify and complete the pattern using thumb. Here, see here, using thumb impression, they have created a pattern. Spider, mouse. Spider, mouse. Again, spider, mouse. Spider, mouse. So the pattern continues. Here, let's name it as cartoon man. Okay, cartoon man, cat, cat. A cartoon man, cat, cat. What will be the next, children? The pattern should continue, isn't it? It is arranged in an order like man, cat, cat, man, cat, cat. What is the next one? Man, cat, cat. Isn't it? So finish it off that. See here, they have created a pattern using lady's finger. Cut the lady's finger and dip it in the color, any color you want, and make a pattern as same as this flower. You do it here. Okay, you may use different colors also. Red, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow, or red, red, orange, orange, or red, red, orange, orange, or red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. Any colors you can use, but it should be in a pattern, in a sequential order, in a repeated order. Okay, children, it should be repeated over and over again in a same order. If you place one red, one orange, the next should be one red, one orange, like that. If it is two red, two orange, so you have to repeat the same pattern. Understood, children? Okay. Now here complete the caterpillar using the leaf pattern. Here you can see the leaf pattern, isn't it? With the leaf pattern here, the colors, they have used multicolors, and here they have used green color, chrome yellow, isn't it? So you can use same color, or else you can use any different colors. Yellow, yellow, green, green, yellow, yellow, green, green, or else yellow, yellow, red, red, yellow, yellow, red, red. Anything you can use. Yellow, 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 pink, yellow, yellow, pink, yellow, yellow. Okay, this is your this depends on your creativity. So the pattern you make by yourself. Okay. Next is patterns in shapes. That is geometrical shapes. Here you can see observe and continue the patterns. So observe the pattern first. How they have given. Here they have given one down triangle and up triangle. Down triangle pointing downwards, isn't it? See the pointing downwards and pointing upward. So here down triangle, up triangle, down triangle, that is inverted triangle, straight triangle, or else you can say like that also. So the next pattern is, what will be the next one? Yeah, pointing downwards triangle. The next one is upward triangle. Next is downward triangle. Next is pointing upward triangle. So this pattern continues. Okay, children. And look at the next one, children. The position of rectangle. Here it is the position of rectangle. Okay, here it is standing position, sleeping position. Standing position, sleeping position, isn't it? So standing rectangle, sleeping rectangle. Standing rectangle, sleeping rectangle. What will be the next, children? Standing rectangle. Very good. Standing rectangle. Next is sleeping rectangle. Yeah, same continue. Standing rectangle, sleeping rectangle. Look at the next one, children. Triangle, circle. Triangle, circle. The pattern is triangle, circle, triangle, circle. So what will be the next? Triangle. Triangle. Downward pointing triangle, children. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Triangle, circle. Now, after drawing circle, triangle. So that is the pattern, isn't it? Triangle, circle, triangle, circle. So next we have to draw circle. So the pattern continues, children. Okay. Next is rectangle, circle. Rectangle, circle. So the pattern here is one rectangle, one circle. Rectangle, circle. So the next one is rectangle, circle. Next one is rectangle, circle. Children, next is travel through. Look at the picture here. What are the shapes you see in this picture? Are the shapes repeated? If yes, in what manner? You have to look at this picture and you have to first write what are the shapes in this picture, like triangle, square, rectangle, circle, whatever the shapes may be. You identify the shapes and you have to write whether they are repeated. Are they in pattern? Okay, children, for example, I'll tell you here, see, green, blue, pink, blue. Again, green, blue, pink, blue. They are patterns in colors, isn't it? So like that, you have to identify are the shapes repeated or they create patterns. What patterns? It patterns in shapes or patterns in colors. You have to identify all these things and you have to write. Children, next, here, let us learn the patterns in shapes by observing them. See here, square, circle, circle, square, circle, circle. The pattern is one square, two circles. One square, two circles. One after the other, isn't it? So again, one square, two circles. The next you can see rectangle, rectangle, circle, circle, circle one below the other. Rectangle, rectangle, and circle, circle. Here the circle is one below the other, isn't it? So rectangle, rectangle, rectangle in standing position. You have to observe all these things. Rectangle in standing position. Two circles means two circles, one below the other, not like this, one after the other. It is one below the other. So you have to observe all these patterns and you have to continue the patterns. See the next one, rectangle, triangle, circle. Here, rectangle in standing position, triangle. Below the triangle, you have the circle, isn't it? Rectangle, triangle, circle. And this triangle also is pointing upwards. So you have to observe that also. In patterns, these are all very important and you have to observe all these minute things also. Okay, so rectangle, triangle, circle. So this pattern continues throughout. Okay, children, it is repeated over and over again. Children, I'll give you worksheets related to pattern in shapes with the video. Please complete it. The patterns in shapes are very easy and it is very interesting also to do. I think you people will enjoy to do. See you in next class, children.